Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video I am going to be doing feed and braids on my natural hair, and I know a lot of you guys are like I thought she said she can't braid. You're right, I cannot braid to save my life, but I love to challenge myself, especially during these quarantine times. I have a lot of time on my hands to practice on my hair, and that's what I'm doing in this video. So if you like to see how this hairstyle turns out, make sure you keep on watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So you all know the beauty supply store is closed, but luckily my cousin has some pre-stretched hair that she never used, and that's what we're working with today. As you can see, I'm getting started with braiding my hair, and I know I mentioned a million times I'm not the best at braiding, or it's hard for me to braid my hair, but I did figure out that it's easier for me to braid going sideways versus braiding straight back. I'm not sure why, but it's easier for me to grip my hair when I braid sideways versus straight back. I think because I can see my hands moving in the mirror. I'm not sure. Even though I do braid this way, it's still, well, I do notice that the braid is not as neat as it should, but it's neater than it would, like I said, if I was braiding straight back. And as you guys can see, I'm feeding in the hair, and it's easier for me to feed in the hair doing this method and going straight sideways versus straight back. So I'm gonna do whatever works for me. And like I said, it's not the neatest, it's not fast. I'm really slow with doing this. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos with girls, even beginner videos, where the girls try to slow down and teach you how to braid, but it's still pretty fast. And I'm not as fast as them. I know if I keep practicing braiding my hair, I'm pretty sure I will get as fast as them. But for now, like I said, I'm going to do whatever works for me. And I love challenges. I love doing different things to my hair. I'm just not sure why I cannot master braiding. But I think if I was to practice more often than I should, I probably would get it down packed, because it's not hard. I just think I need to practice just gripping my hair a little bit tighter to the scalp. I do have a video on my channel where I did do the Bohemian feed-in braids, and the braids were a little loose and it wasn't as tight to my scalp like I wanted to, and that was when I did the braids going straight back. Like I said, I can't grip my hair to save my life, but I'm going to master it one day, and I'll show you guys. So keep hope alive. So for any beginner braiders like myself, I know it's hard to feed in the braid as you're braiding down. Trust me, I'm still mastering that myself. But what I do is, as I'm braiding down, I grab a piece of hair and add that piece of hair to my own hair and just braid down like normal. I know a lot of girls add in the hair and put it under the hair and braid down, but for me, I find it easier for myself for now until I figure it out. I put the hair on top of my hair and add that to those two pieces, as you can see, and then just continue to braid down. Sometimes it's not good to do that and adding it on top, because it creates a little loop or a hump around your hair. So you have to be careful. And I notice if I add too much hair, it will create that little loop around my hair or a little hump. So I try not to add so much hair to my own hair, just to seem as if it's just coming out my own hair. But I hope this video is self-explanatory, because like I said, I haven't mastered it yet. But as you can see, I'm doing a little something. here, I'm putting gel on the ends of my hair, and I'm doing that so when I wrap my hair around the perm rod, it doesn't come loose or stick out, and it'll stay connected to this perm rod. But I'm doing this because I want the ends of my hair to have a curly look. I have some idea in my head how I want my hair to look at the ends. I like that wavy, curly look at the ends and not just that blunt, little straight look at the ends, and I don't have to braid all the way down either. So that's the look I'm going for. Just braid this whole section in probably like 3 or 4 sections, but I figured that would be too big. So what I'm gonna do is just like split this in half and see how that works out. So stay tuned. For some reason, I'm not sure why, but I can only braid going this way, sideways, but going straight back, y'all, it is an epic fail for some reason. Like, peep. Like, you see this? Boom, bam, pow. Like, what is that? It is gonna have to do for now. So a style that I thought that was gonna take maybe an hour turned to probably about 5 or 6 hours. My hand started to kind of lock up a little bit, so I had to relax my hand. I noticed when I do too much manipulation with my hands and doing my hair for a long period of time, my hand starts to lock up. But I hate stopping or quitting a style, so I'm the type of person, I'm determined to finish, and that's what I'm gonna do. And as you can see here, I'm still braiding, but like I said, it took longer than expected, but I'm almost done. I'm a trooper. Now that I'm done with this style, of course I have to use my favorite Lolly Body mousse. I love how it smooths my little baby hairs or any frizzy hairs that's sticking up. It always leaves my hair feeling super soft. I love Lolly Body mousse. It just does something to my hair, and I just can't put it down. But I think everyone should invest in Lolly Body mousse. It is so great. I love this product. Here I have my hot water, and what I'm going to do, like I mentioned earlier, I'm just going to dip my ends in that water so it can create that curly look that I want. So with the combination of the Lolly Body mousse and this scarf, let me tell you, it creates this sleek look that I love. As you can see, my little baby hairs was looking all crazy, but between the Lolly Body mousse, this scarf, and a little bit of gel on these edges, baby, It looks so good and I love it because before my edges was looking crazy. That little widow peak piece that I hate the most, that always do me wrong, is finally laid. And that's why I like the Lottie Body Mousse. It just does something to me. Done with this hairstyle, guys. I really do like how everything came out. I actually did better than I thought I would. I do have a little critiques of the hairstyle. I didn't like how the back looks. Is not as smooth or neat as I would like it to be, and also the ends are not as curly as I would like it to be as well. But I do like how this hairstyle came out, guys. I do hope you like the video as well. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos.